Wei Ming is F years old now. His mother is 1 year younger than his father. In 4 years' time, Wei Ming's father will be twice Wei Ming's age. How old is Wei Ming's mother now? Express your answer in terms of F. Okay, this question may seem very tricky, but it's actually very simple. Just draw the model and you'll be able to get the answer. Do you remember in the previous video, I told you that there are some questions with the before and after? And we will usually go and draw the after one. Okay, the after the model. So after the 4 years, Wei Ming's father is twice Wei Ming's age. So I'm just going to draw the father first. Okay, so the father, I'm going to draw 2 bars to show twice of Wei Ming's age. Okay, so always remember to draw the dotted line to show the starting point. So Wei Ming over here will just be 1 bar. And we know that he only have this 1 bar after 4 years, right? Because only in 4 years time the father is twice the age. Which means that part of Wei Ming's age is actually 4 years. So I'm going to draw a 4 years over here. And his original age is what? F. That's the original age. Okay. So since this unit is the same as this unit, which is the same as this unit, I can also go and draw a 4. Okay. And then I'll draw another 4 over here. This will help you to visualize how the entire thing is going. And this will be F. And this will be F. Okay. Now, do you realize that they said when Wei Ming is F years old, the mother is 1 year younger than the father. Before the 4 years, right, the father is only from here to here. This is before 4 years. This is the age of the father. Before 4 years. So before the 4 years, the mother is 1 year younger than the father. So if you were to draw the mother, it must be a bar that is slightly shorter than the 4 years. So maybe like this. Okay, and you have to show that, see, you have to show that this is actually just 1, because the mother is 1 year younger than the father. Can? Okay, so the question is, after the 4 years, how old is Wei Ming's mother now? So after 4 years from this, right, so from here you have to add another 4 years, right? So this entire thing will be 4 years. So if this is 1, this entire thing is 4, then here must be 3. Okay, so what you're trying to look for is almost the father's age before the 4 years, which is from here to here, and add another 3. That will be Wei Ming's mother's age. So before the 4 years, you will realize that the father is F plus 4 plus F. So you can say before 4 years, father's age, arrow, is F plus 4 plus F. F plus 4 plus F. Okay, and that will give us 2F plus 4. Now, after we have found the father's age before the 4 years, okay, which is until here, we just need to add another 3 to find the mother's age right now. Okay, so mother's current age, arrow, will be 2F plus 4 plus 3. And this will be 2F plus 7. So this is the final answer. So remember, as you're drawing your model, go step by step. If there's a before and after, draw the after first, and then label as much as you can. Okay, and remember, when you're doing your working, write the sentence and then write your working. Write your sentence, the arrow, and then the working. Don't forget about this part. If you use this method step by step, you'll definitely be able to get the answer. It's actually quite simple, so don't worry about it. If you find it a little bit too hard to follow, you can just rewatch the video, or you can make it even slower, so that you can just follow step by step until you get the answer. Okay, done.